much with the Camaro. Honestly, I don't know, guys. I think this is going to be the day or the time he finally takes me. But we don't know, right? It's all in the name of fun. Oh shit, dude, we're fucking even. Holy shit, that was like, I got him by like a fender. Damn, that was a really close run. That was the closest race I've had all day, man. Yeah. I felt like a really good pass though. Thank you. Oh shit, 12.6. We ran a 12.6 in a bone stock. Damn, dude, look at our mile per hour. 12.6? Damn, dude! Bro, that's the fastest time I've ever ran, a 12.6? I'll follow you. Hell yeah! Alright, we'll pull over. A 12.6? $12.6, bro? Fuck yeah, dude. Dude, our mile per hour is almost the same thing. The only reason why I got it is because I launched, but everything else was the same thing. Damn, bro. Shout out to Mr. Katana 92, dude. Those chrome stripes on the white. That's the first time I see that, man. That thing looks sick as hell. Really clean car, man. Shout out to the 240 too, because this is the first time I see a 240 on the actual drag strip out of all the times I've been over here. But yeah, so we're gonna race again. I'm getting the left lane. Or the right lane. Damn, dude, that last run, that shit was like dead even, man. Oh no, one wheel peel. One wheel peels have been like bad luck at this racetrack, man. Everybody that's done a one wheel peel ends up breaking an axle, blowing a tranny, or something. I think he spun off of that one. dude. I'm not gonna lie, guys. I might have a factory freak on my hands because I went around telling people when I got this car, like against an 8-speed, whether it's a 392 or a Camaro, there was no way in hell it was ever gonna like touch those cars, man, stock. But thank you. Another 12.6. Second 12.6, boys. He did trap a higher mile per hour, so had the race kept going, he was gonna catch me. There was no doubt he was gonna catch me. Almost 90 in the 8th mile, 8.2. Hell yeah, dude. I'm gonna let the car cool off a little bit longer, see if I could hit maybe a 12.5. I doubt it. Hey, you wanna let the cars cool off?
Let's go one more and then we'll pull up.
Alright, you want the left lane again? You want the left lane?
Huh?
You want the left lane?
Either one, it does the same.
So we're in track. This is our 4th run. No, 4th? 5th run. 5th race.
Left side is good. Then he turn the power. The left side goes 0.05.
Shit. Oh, hell yeah. Hell yeah, dude. Hell yeah, dude. So that's 4 for the Mustang, 1 for the Camaro, man. Man, the top end, dude. I knew as soon as I saw him get a really good launch, or similar launch to me. Thank you. I ran a 12.7 that time. My mile per hour. Damn, dude, we have similar mile per hour. Fuck, alright, yeah, the car's starting to heat soak a bit. Hell yeah, dude, you got the dub, bro.
Finally.
Alright. Hey, our mile per hour is the same thing, though. Our mile per hour is the same thing.
We were off by
1. Not even, dude.
3.
Hey, let's pull over and let it cool off.
Yeah.
I'll follow you. And then if you guys are wondering, he actually has a tow hitch in the back because he actually used it to tow something, which is extra cool.